In this video, I will be showing you how to view your first subscriber on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I start on the main YouTube homepage. In the top right corner of the screen, I click on my profile icon to open the account menu. From the list of options, I navigate down and click on YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio loads, I land directly on the channel dashboard. Here, under Channel Analytics, I can immediately see my current subscriber count, which shows my very first subscriber. Next, to get a deeper look, I go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Analytics. This opens up the Channel Analytics overview page, showing detailed metrics like total views, watch time, and subscriber growth. On the overview chart, I can see the +1 indicator confirming the subscriber count. To view the subscriber count updating live, I look at the real-time card on the right side of the page and click the See Live Count button. This opens a dedicated screen displaying the channel name and the live subscriber count front and center, along with a channel growth graph below. After taking a look at the live subscriber count, I head up to the top right corner and click the Close button to exit the live count view. Finally, from the left-hand menu, I click on Dashboard to return to the main channel dashboard page. And that is how you can easily view your first subscriber on YouTube. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.